Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac, second to none. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.